Hi again, it's Jack, and I've got a problem with a leaky regulator on my Roadtrek. This is a cover, and this cover just sits on here like this, and it's velcroed on with a couple of velcro straps. That comes off. Anyway, we're going to turn on the propane here, and I can hear it leaking. We'll spray the heck out of it here, see if we get any bubbles. Let's see if we got any bubbles. Oh, there's bubbles right there. I see them. You see those bubbles? Now I just got to determine where that's coming from. Yeah, it's leaking right around that little seam right there. And I don't know if that's fixable, or maybe it's cracked. I'm going to take the regulator off and have a look at it. Well, like everything, it's tight. Can't get a regular screwdriver in, so I'm going to use a little offset Phillips screwdriver, and hopefully I'll take these four out, and that regulator should fall out, I'm hoping. Alright, it looks like the only way to get that out is going to be to take the hoses off. Now the hose here, this is actually left-hand threads going in the propane tank, so you're kind of acting as though you're tightening it to loosen it. So in this case it's backwards from the right-hand thread, where it's a righty tighty, this is a righty loosey. So anyway, that's taking that off. I'm going to have to take off the little propane barbecue attachment here too with this clamp. And then the last thing I have is the main line right here. Get my camera to stay in one spot. This is a 7/8 wrench on this one. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's tight. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. And it'll be just as easy to put it back in, hopefully. But anyway, that's the gadget right there. And there's a part number on here somewhere, probably. This is a secondary regulator for the little barbecue accessory. Alright, I got the new valve in, and it happens to be the same one. This is a little bit confusing because the back of this valve shows it as a I don't know if that's readable there or not, but it shows it as being a 291 MEGR 291, and the valve that shows the vent coming off the bottom on Amazon is called a 298, although the back of it also says 291. So it's the right valve, and this one is actually stamped with a 298 on this side of the valve. So I think what they're doing is they're using the same housing on both the 291 and the 298. The 291 valve has the vent coming out right over the outlet, the 3/8 outlet. So that would not work since this valve is mounted horizontal, and that one's probably made for mounting vertical. Also got in the yellow Teflon tape. If you're going to use it on gas, use the yellow, don't use the white. It's not recommended for gas lines. Alright, I suggest you cut the threads into the regulator first, because they're not threaded, but these are thread cutting screws that came with it, so they were just able to screw right in. But I tried it without cutting the threads first, and it was real difficult to get them started. But anyway, I've got it up there now. Alright. Okay, that's snug. Just turn that on. So all I have to do is run my little barbecue accessory hose back up there, finish tightening these 4 bolts, putting the cover on, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching.